This side is the wild section, though it has been raining since morning. This is the wild section. And this pen is the Sahel. This is the Sahel section. These are the Sahel section. These are the female boas and their kids. These are the rams. And this section is the F1 section. And these are the heifers, though it has been raining since morning. So these are the heifers section. Here they are. It has been raining since morning. So, but till now, the rain is still dropping. Or at least it's dropping little, not like this morning. So these are the heifers. And this section, these are the bulls. These are the bulls. This is their own side. And this side is the male boa section. These are the trees. And this other side are the females. These are the Kalahari. The two we have here, the male and the female. Kalahari male and the female.